Hi, this is a follow-up to a video I made about saving a Canva presentation file as a PPTX Microsoft PowerPoint file. Now, for the most part, the presentation will transition over just fine as this one is here. I'll just go to the slide sorter view so you can see it. I'll explain the blank in a moment. But what you see is that the presentation that I created over in Canva and I saved as a PPTX file seems to be working just fine. Some of the things that happen, the transitions came with it. No animations come when you save this. But what's happening is when someone goes in to add a new slide, the layouts are not working for you at all. And that's what this blank one is. I've added one like that and I'll just double click to jump into it. What it has done is make a content placeholder that's shoved up in the corner. So I've got a title and a content placeholder, but this is not going to work. Where you go to see these is on the View tab. You can get to something called the Slide Master. A little bit of an advanced move in PowerPoint. If you've never come in here, you have a slide at the very top, and then you have a kind of a hierarchy of other slide layouts. Now, what we'll want to do is actually take content from our Canva presentation and make a nice layout so that when someone wants to insert those layouts, they have all the design elements. Now, of course, you could come in, right click on a slide, duplicate it, and then change up the elements. But this really isn't the way PowerPoint was intended to work, and I think to be more accessible and have a better functioning template, you really want to take all these elements. What I'll do is kind of lasso everything on this slide. I may not keep all of it, but let me just lasso it. So I'm clicking and holding and dragging from the outside edge. I want to be sure to get just a little bit above it all the way around so I get all these little elements that are kind of hanging off the page. And I say that I did a poor job grabbing them. There, I've got them. Okay, Control C, copy. Now I'll go back under the hood to the Slide Master. So View, Slide Master. And let me just get on one of these that is similar. I think maybe one of these with a to content. Okay, now I'm going to do a lot here. So what I'll do is Control V, paste, and get all of my elements on there. So basically, if I want to use a layout like this, I'll pick off some of the things that I don't want on this layout. So maybe I take off some of this extra, some of, maybe I do want the page number, that's down here. And maybe I want some of those things. I don't know if you'd want to use any of these, but you could utilize them. I'll take off the date. And instead of this text right here, what I'll do is position one of these content placeholders ready for that content. And then I'll do the same thing with the picture. I'll actually delete the picture and move the content placeholder where someone could easily choose a picture and put it in there. Now, with this, let's get this title and format the title of this so that it matches. So I click the placeholder with the format painter. You can also do it from the home tab if that was confusing, that little paintbrush. So I clicked on their title there that had the nice formatting that matches. Now that I've got that format in their placeholder, I'm actually gonna move this one down and position it here. Let me also, let's take that little bit out. You could add a placeholder for that. Let's see, on my slide master, you can insert whatever kind of placeholders you want. So say I want a little one for text. Okay, I will insert a placeholder for text. Did I get it? Oh, I see I can draw it in. I'll draw it in. And then let's do this. Let's take this format, home tab, copy that, and then click in here and paste it in. Now I can't really see good. I do not want bulleting on there, so I'll go ahead and take that off, but I should be ready to go. I don't need even the second and third and so on levels. I'll just have a style in there, and I don't need any indentation, so I'll also fix that quickly. I've got my ruler showing so that it all wraps edge to edge nicely. Okay, now I have elements down here in the corner like these. I can use these if I want them. I can copy that formatting into a footer. I can copy this formatting into that footer. Let's go just see where we are at this point in time. So slide master, you gotta close it. Close it. Now when I go to slides and new slide, looky, there is my content. It's ready with that design, ready to go in. So I could build that design without duplicating the other slide with all the content on it. Basically what I want to do is set up a template with all these slide designs ready to go with placeholders, but not with actual content in them yet, so that anyone can come in and add a new slide. See, the only one that's showing up cute is the one that I have built specifically with these design elements. Okay, my friends, it's a lot of work, so get ready for that. But this will make your slide in PowerPoint much more accessible for others to use. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.